Yeah, okay guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we want to actually simplify this expression, and one of the ways we can simplify this correctly is by applying the method of BODMAS or pendants. So we have BODMAS. It helps us to simplify um, fractions of this kind. Okay, and we are going to apply BODMAS. So that's what we are going to apply here to be able to simplify this. So we are going to use BODMAS, which means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, or even if we want to use pendants, which means parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So whichever one you apply, pendants or BODMAS, we are still going to arrive at the same solution. So we're just going to use BODMAS for this. All right, so for us to be able to simplify this, since we are applying BODMAS, it means we have to first of all open up brackets before we have to take off brackets, and then we have to divide, multiply, add, and subtract. So division and multiplication, they are whichever one comes first, whether you divide before you multiply or you multiply before you divide, it doesn't really matter. So it happens. You just the pattern for it. So what we are going to do here is we are going to um, first of all segment this since we don't have any brackets given in this expression. So we are going to actually segment them, and it's going to actually help us to better understand what we need to do. So we look at the expression. So I will write this expression, and as I rewrite them, I would also want to segment them immediately. So we have this expression as one whole number 1 over 2, okay, minus. So in BODMAS, division comes before multiplication, before addition and subtraction. So since I have one whole number 1 over 2 minus one whole number 1 over 4 divided by 5 over 8. So I'll put this in brackets, this expression here, one whole number 1 over 4, okay, divided by 5 over 8 plus. So addition is happening. So since addition is happening here, and then after that we're having multiplication, 2 whole number 1 over 3 times 3 over 7. So I'll put that in brackets since I'm going to multiply first before I add. So I'll put that in bracket as 2 whole number 1 over 3 times 3 over 7 times 3 over 7. Okay. Then next we have minus 2 over 3 times 3 over 5. So I'll put minus here and then put this in bracket 2 over, sorry, 2 over 3 2 over 3 times 3 over 5. Okay, so this is what I have. Then plus 3 over 4. All right, so since we have this now, we have this 3 over 4. Okay, so going further, I would then uh, convert these mixed fractions to improper fractions. And for us to do that, so for us to convert that, we convert all mixed fractions to improper fractions. So one whole number 1 over 2 is the same as 2 times 1 is this 2, sorry, excuse me, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, that's 3 over 2. So we have 3 over 2 here. This is 3 over 2 minus in bracket 1 whole number 1 over 4. 4 times 1, that's 4 plus 1, 5. So this is 5 over, this is 5 over 4 here. Sorry. Gosh, I don't know what's wrong with this market today. So we have 5 over 4 here divided by 5 over 8. Okay, plus 2 whole number 1 over 3. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 7, so this is 7 over 3 in bracket the way it is times 3 over 7. All right, minus 2 over 3 times 3 over 5, okay, plus 3 over 4. Okay, so the next step, the next thing I need to do here is see what can cancel out. All right, so for us to see what can cancel out, we see from here that this is still 3 over 2. So inside this bracket, I want to work on what I have inside the bracket first. Okay, so 5 over 4 divided by 3 divided by 5 over 8. So for me to change from division to multiplication, I'll have to take the reciprocal or the inverse of this. So the inverse of 5 over 8 or the reciprocal of 5 over 8 is 8 over 5. So that means I can write this as 5 over 4. So I'll change from division to multiplication times 8 over 5. So if we have that, it means this 5 can cancel itself. 5 cancel 5, then here 4, 3, 7, 1, then here we have what, 2. Okay, then plus 7 over 3 times 3 over 7. So this 3 cancel 7, this we have 1 here. All right, so minus 2 over 3 times 3 over 5. So this 3 can cancel out. So left over 5 here plus 3 over 4. Okay, so this is what we have. So what's left? What's left is 3 over 2 minus this is 2. So I'll just put it as a fraction. Let me just leave it as 2 over 1. So this is 2 over 1 from this plus what's left here 1. So I'll just write it as a fraction to 1 over 1 minus 2 over 5 plus 3 over 4. Okay, so this is what we have left. Now, going further, you can see that I have subtraction and addition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take like them. So all those positive values, I'll take them to one side, and negative values, I'll take them to the other side. So so for us to do that, you can see that 3 over 2 is positive, 1 over 1 is positive, and 3 over 4 is positive. So I can say this is the same as 3 over 2 plus 1. Sorry, don't know how this stuff is writing. Plus 1 over 1 plus 3 over 4. So I can put this in brackets. Then the negative values, I can see that minus, this is negative, and this is also what, negative. So I can bring out the minus sign and say this is same as minus in bracket 2 over, sorry, minus in bracket 2 over 1 plus 2 over 5. Okay, so we're making progress. Now we have this. So what's the LCM, the lowest common denominator of 2, 1, and 4? So the lowest common denominator is 4. So the LCM here is 4. So I can say this is 4. 4. So if we have the LCM as 4, so 2 can go into 4 how many times? 2 times 2 times 3 is 6. We have 6 here plus, sorry, plus 1 we're going to 4, 4 times 4 times 1, that's 4, and 4, we're going to itself once, so that's 1 times 3, that's 3, so we have this plus 3 all over 4. Okay, so this is minus, then minus what we have here, minus what we have here. So what's the LCM there? The LCM there is, sorry, the LCM there is between 1 and 5. The lowest common denominator is 5. So we have that 1, we go into 5, 5 times 2, that's 10. So we have 10 here, plus 5, we go into itself once, so 1 times 2, that's 2, so we have 10 plus 2 over 5. All right, adding up, 6 plus 4 plus 3, that's 13. So this is 13 over 4 minus 12 over 5. So this is equal to, what's the LCM of 4 and 5? The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So since our LCM is 20, 4, we go into 20 5 times. 5 times 13, that's 65. Minus 5, we go into 24 times. 4 times 12 will give us 48. This is equals 65 minus 48, that's 17 over 20. This is our solution. All right, so this is our solution. Thank you guys for today's video. I hope you find this really helpful. Please do well to like this video and subscribe if you find this lesson valuable. Please do well to like and subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.